guys, it's Joe with Oak Ridge Roofing, and we are in Cedartown today at Meadow Lakes Golf Course, and we're getting Mr. Jose a new roof. Come check it out. So we've already torn everything off, and we're going back with a GAF HDZ architectural shingle. This homeowner filed a claim on his insurance, and we helped him get it paid out. This is a 30-year architectural shingle backed by GAF's warranty, and we put our 10-year labor warranty on here for our labor. Anything happens for the next decade, it's on us.